Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's Monday, September the 9th, and as you can see, it's crash to boom. Everything's flying right back up again. So if you hadn't sold out and you were holding your positions and you bought the dip, you are loving this back up again. No surprise. Is anybody surprised? None at all. For those of you that were in the extra channel today, you would have seen George. Nobody commented. I cannot believe it. I came in with George and he struggled to get through the door and he struggled to sit down. He struggled even more to get back out of the chair and get out again. But he was here in the studio and nobody noticed. There was about 20 of you in the extra channel watching, but I think you had it on mute or whatever you were doing, but you missed it. Anyway, as promised, I brought George back to the studio and he was here in the show. Anyway, I'm only going to be here for 12 minutes because I've got lots to prepare for tomorrow night's election, lots of surprises to set up, lots of stuff to put in the studio, decorate for the United States, all sorts of stuff to do. Prepare. I'm going to need some help tomorrow night with moderation. I'm expecting a busy night. We'd like some of my moderators to help me fact-checking on both parties tomorrow night. So we're looking forward to that. But coming up in just 12 minutes time to take you through to the bell, I have some special videos that I've recorded about Bitcoin and other things and why I'm here, why I'm doing this, why I'm investing, a whole video about the true emotion of what this is all about and why we're all here together. So that comes out after the closing bell. So lots to do. So let me just set this now so it will go into this next event, which is in 11 minutes now. All right. Okay, I've done that. Let me just make sure I've done that correctly. Customization. Yes, 215, that's correct. Yep. This is the event we're going to see in a minute. It's just 10 minutes away now. This will take you through just before the closing bell. Live chat. It's a live premiere. You'll all be able to be in the chat. I'll be with you as well. So please do join me for this. It's about to happen. Sailor trashes Bitcoin. Yes, the Bitcoin maximalist. The one that owns not most, but very close to most Bitcoin in the world. There's about 5 or 6 above him, but amongst the top 10 anyway. And they own pretty much all of Bitcoin together. And he trashes it. He destroys it, and you'll get to see what it's all about in just a few minutes' time. And I also share with you an interview with MSK as well, who is into XRP and crypto, and you might want to check that out as well. But I don't think that Bitcoin will ever recover from this. But you can make your decision. You can make your thoughts yourself. But anyway, that's coming up in a second. Michael Saylor trashes Bitcoin, one of the biggest Bitcoin maximalists there is. Hi, Malk UK. Hiya. Hi, Mike. How you doing? Ivan Costantini. How are you? I think you're new to the show. Ed Spitzer. Greetings to you. Lovely to see you, Ed. How you been? Not a member anymore. That's sad to see. Mike, Malk UK, Kevin, we've got a lot of guests today. Good afternoon, Kevin Hawthorne, Lonnie. Good evening, Martin. 8 p.m. here in the UK. Temperature dropped a ton, something you aren't used to now in the big techs. Yes, I'm sure. Francesco Santos, hi Martin, how you doing? Ami Tal, Martin, but everybody said that September is a bad month. What is your opinion? Will happen in this month? And what about the Japan yen? I'm not bothered about, you're about the carry trade, not worried about that at all. It's been unwinding gradually, which is fine. People just simply got greedy and over-borrowed using cheap money and then got wiped out when the rates went up. It's very simple, really. Once again, people getting greedy. Am I bothered? Absolutely not. I started with $5,000. I'm at 100, nearly 108. My all-time high is 113. I didn't get fearful. I'm all in on margin. I'm all in with my cash. I've got no money in the bank. It's all here. I'm not bothered at all. You know what I own. I don't sell. I just keep adding when it dips and focus on paying down the margin. It's very, very simple strategy. Very easy indeed. Just valuing businesses. So I'm not worried. And this whole thing about, oh, September's a bad month, it's a load of nonsense. It's not bad every single September. If you look at history, sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But people like to have this sort of thing they can pin things on. Every September is bad. And then we have the Santa rally. We don't always have a Santa rally at all. It doesn't always go like that. But people like to give things a label and all the rest of it. But there you go. Christopher Shaw. Is Christopher Shaw in the show? I need you to join me on the live show if you are, Christopher. Let me put a quick message to Christopher. He's just tried to access Discord, and as you know, we only allow members into Discord. We're not trying to grow the biggest Discord server, but we are trying to grow the best, most useful, not one that's just full of bots and scammers. So the server of Discord. Yes, I need to send this one here. Please confirm you accept upgrade to this Discord user chat. Yes. Okay. Share your username. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to send this to him now. He might catch this, but I'm only going to be here for another sort of 6 minutes or so. The live show now. Let me give him the link to this. Neil's not seen you for a while. How have you been? Lovely to see you. Neil's not seen you for a while. We're coming up to 36,000 subscribers now. We've had a few days where we've been doing 1,000 subscribers a day. And 98% of our live viewers on a regular show are members, our average. It's really great. Okay, let's have a look. Hi all. Roommate. Hi Stacey Bailey, how are you? Roommate is facing multiple felonies and I'll be taking over the mortgage in the meantime. Oh, hello, what's going on here? I would take me too long to explain why I can't afford the membership. Don't worry about that. Do not worry about that. It doesn't matter at all. It doesn't matter at all. We're here just to support everyone. Some people can, some are gold, some are sponsors, some are not. Doesn't matter. We're always here for everyone. I just have to, when it gets busy, focus on members. I'm sure you understand that. But other than that, it makes no difference. You can join us every day. I'm sorry you're having a hard time. We've all been through it. Martyn, love to see you grow 100,000 subscribers next year. We are actually on target for 100,000 subscribers inside of 12 months now, which is great when you think we're only 3 years old. If you look at some of the channels that are 1 million, 2 million, they're all average about 12, 13, 14 years old. So we are way ahead of schedule, Our growth rate is off the chart. So we're very proud of that. Ed, oh my God, prayers friend. Yes, Ed Spitzer, we're very, very sorry to hear that. I'm sorry that you're having a hard time. We offer our support to you, yes. Other than that, all is well. What I'm glad, most important thing is your health, to be honest. We've all been through it. I've lost my family, lost my kids, lost my business, been bankrupt, lost my parents. I mean, we all go through stuff. Everyone faces it. I'm 200% up on Palantir. Fantastic, but be very careful now. Palantir is 178. In fact, more than that now. I bet it's gone up. Let me just check that. I put a warning out for Palantir. I never buy overpriced stock. I know it's a great stock, but this is insane. 178 times earnings. That's ridiculous. I don't care what you say. If I told you this is the greatest can of Coke in the world, would you pay $1 million for a can of Coke? Well, of course you wouldn't. But that's exactly what you're doing today by buying Palantir. I know Palantir is a great business. I know it is. But at the end of the day, you cannot pay anything for anything. That's ridiculous. And that's what people are doing. They're all getting excited, and it's great to see it. But you'll never see me knocking on the door saying, let me have a share at $39. It's worth $9 at best. That's it. Doesn't matter how good it is. You won't see me overpaying for anything. Tuned in for NVIDIA earnings. You had 2,000 viewers. Proud of you. Niels, we had 38. We had 38,000. Sorry. No, I didn't. I had 36,000 in total, and which was meet Kevin with 2 million subscribers during the thing. He had 100,000. So when you think that we had higher ratio to anyone, I checked all the broadcasts, we had the highest ratio of anyone, and I'm expecting 40,000 viewers for the FOMC report. Expecting 40,000, which will probably be one of the biggest numbers in the world. So, yeah, it's incredible how it's going. Everything you find, I'm taking precautions early, nothing too abnormal. Good. Long time no see. Yes, Martyn Racer, we've missed you. Lovely to have you here. Thank you for being a continued member. 2 months now. Thank you very much indeed. MSK, I saw you live earlier when you said I did not have an answer to why I invest with next pay, which sounded like I had nothing to say. But we had a good debate. Yes, you're actually on my video in a moment. I'm about to end this stream. I've got a premiere featuring you, MSK. I actually said in the video, and please do take the time because you know we're friends. I said that you are a successful businessman, wealthy, you know what you're doing, yet you were unsure of why you're an XRP. I mean, you cannot deny that. We had a conversation. And the point was I was stressing the point of this. Today, Michael Saylor trashes Bitcoin. I've got an interview with Michael Saylor. It's about to go live in 1 minute from now. So this video is this live stream is about to end and go into this. And this will take you through to the bell. I will be with you in the live. I have to go and let this play because I have to get ready for tomorrow's earnings. There's a lot to do. I'm trying to work out ways of doing fact checking. I want people judging what's going on. I want people to phone in, be on the show when it's going on. I'm getting the studio set up for USA. There's going to be a special segment of American patriotism in the show. A lot of stuff going on tomorrow night, and I've got all that to prepare for. I am expecting probably 5,000 to 10,000, not as many as the FOMC report. As NVIDIA, that was 36,000. I'm expecting 40,000 on Wednesday, though, for the next Wednesday for the FOMC report. But I do expect this to be a big event. So join me now live. I'm going to give everyone the link now. This will take you through to a reaction afterwards. It also links to MSK's interview. Here we go. Join me now. And then also we got a very, very special video coming up after that. I was asked a question and I gave you a very personal answer. Join me now live. I'm with you in the chat. It's a live premiere. A live premiere is not a live stream. It's a live recording. It was recorded a few hours earlier. And it's the first time of showing. There it is. Make sure that link's working. Yes, it is. Let me pin that to the top. Pin that to the top. There you go. So join me there now. It goes live in 1 minute. It's live chat. I will be with you, but I have to be off because I have to be starting to prepare for tomorrow night, getting everything ready for this special event. And you say to yourself, you could have said watch the debate and decide for yourself, right, Bailey? Hello all, evening young man, evening everybody. Great, so many comments. Okay, I've got to go. So it's a big deal right now. There's already people queuing up to watch it already. I do believe that Michael Saylor has just trashed Bitcoin, and I don't believe it'll ever recover. All right, join me now. I'm going to end this live stream. This is going to start. I've given everybody the link. It's the premiere right now. It'll take you right through to the next event, and then a special video on the bell as well. Okay, guys. I'm going to end the show. I've got to run. Take care of yourselves and each other. It goes live right now.